Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to Facebook using Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. Then at the top right click on the three lines button, and then click on the first one option, Accounts Center. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the logging in with accounts right up here, and then you need to choose the second one option, choose which accounts can log into other accounts. That means that you can log in your Facebook account using your actually Instagram account. So you need to click on your Instagram account here, and then you need to make sure you choose your Facebook account. So it means that if you forgot password for your Facebook account, you can actually log in using your Instagram account if you enabled your Facebook right up here. So, and that's all, and that's how to log in to Facebook using Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.